Hi, my name is Liz. Welcome to Nothing But Bags. I call this space Nothing But Bags because when I'm getting dressed, I really don't care much about fashion or what's in style or what's the latest trend. I'm really only ever worried about what handbag am I carrying with this outfit. When I'm getting dressed, my outfit is an accessory, my handbag is the main event. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new to my channel and you have noticed that I've been talking a lot about raffia, please forgive me. This video will be talking about raffia as well. However, it is not all that I talk about. So if you're interested in seeing other things that I've talked about in the past or what I'll be talking about in the future, feel free to subscribe to the channel. If you are a returning friend to my channel, someone that's already subscribed or talks to me in the comment section, supports my channel, you already know I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. As you saw from the thumbnail and title of this video, this is going to be an unboxing, first impressions of the YSL mini, I'm going to say Manon, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, crossbody bag with the vegetable tan leather and raffia. I'm going to cut to the unboxing for you now so that you can see that because that's what you tuned into this video for. And then I'll come back with my first impressions, give you some mod shots, and kind of do a tour of the bag with you. So I'll be right back after this unboxing. As you saw from the unboxing, the bag that I unboxed was this YSL mini. I'm going to call it Manon. If I'm pronouncing it correctly, feel free to correct me in the comment section. I don't pretend to know everything about handbags other than the fact that I love them. But this is the crossbody YSL bag. I purchased this from Satire. Satire is, I'm sure you already know, a gray market website. Essentially, from what I understand, you order the bag on their site and pay for it, and then they go about securing the bag for you. So it's not anything like you're buying a knockoff bag or something that isn't authentic. It's just that they source the bags after you've purchased them and ordered them from them. I want to say it took about a week from the time I ordered it to the time that it shipped, and it arrived within 2 to 3 days of shipping. This bag is a raffia bag with a vegetable tan leather, kind of a flap, for lack of a better word, that comes across the front. It has the YSL in that typical, almost antique gold hardware. There's a snap closure to this. Again, that leather flap that kind of comes across the top of it. It goes all the way to the back. Inside, this bag did come with a dust bag. It also came with a card. All Satire bags come with this card that says do not remove because they're giving you the opportunity to look over the bag before you take that tag off, because once you take that tag off, you can no longer return it. On the inside, it's just an open basket. It has a slip pocket back there. It did come with the standard YSL care package or care instructions. That flap is another piece of that brown vegetable tan leather. It's kind of attached to the basket bag there, and it's just an open cavernous hole. On the back, it's connected to that with these three little, I forget what they're called. If I remember, I'll put it in the description box. I'm sure you already know. It's not a grommet, but it's got Saint Laurent, Paris on each of those. The grommets have Saint Laurent, Paris on them as well. And then you have a chain strap with these two leather breaks for the shoulders. You can wear this bag as a shoulder bag, or you can let the strap go up and you can wear it as a crossbody bag. I love, love, love that this bag is similar to, if you watch my video about the Coach, that little canary yellow Coach bag, it's similar to that in that the chain straps fall right into the bag, which I absolutely love. It's heavy enough to go down in there. I prefer bags with a removable adjustable strap. However, if the bag does not have a removable or adjustable strap, if I can house the strap inside of the bag without having it hang all over the place all willy-nilly, I can stage my bag on my shelving unit here, and I like that. So it's also got that leather on the bottom of the bag, and it says Saint Laurent Paris there. This little marking is just like oil from my hand. One thing that I found, because I moved in this bag immediately, I fell in love with it. If you're a girl like me and you put cuticle oil or lotion in your hands and you press this, it will kind of modify the leather for a minute. But I found that every time it did, after it dried, it went completely away. So there's no markings on it or anything. The leather smells so amazing. This is my first YSL bag. So if YSL bags leather is this scrumptious, I've been missing out. It feels so good and so soft, and it smells so good. But not much to say about the bag. This is one of those bags that if you're going to carry it, and I'll put the dimensions on the screen right now and the price of the bag. When you buy from Satire, the bag is going to be slightly discounted from the standard price. That's another good thing about it. Some of the bags. Most of the bags I see on there, if I compare it to what it costs directly with the brand, there's a slight discount. This is one of those bags that if you're one of those girls that throws your lipstick or throws your Dior lip gloss and a pen in here, as soon as you sit it on your car seat and it falls over, you've lost everything. Just like that chain fell out, you've lost everything. This is the kind of bag you have to use. You have to containerize everything. Use little small SLGs. And now I'm going to show you a video of what fits in the bag. You have to use little SLGs and kind of compartmentalize everything and put it in the bag because these holes are open. Beautiful bag. I love the work, the raffia work on it. I think it's a beautifully made bag. I know a lot of people don't think that raffia bags are bags that they want to spend a substantial amount of money on, up there in the thousands. But to me, this is a piece of artwork to me, because I don't see a machine making this. And I could be wrong. It looks to me like someone did this by hand. As you can see, it looks like they stitched it, rolled it up, made rows. I don't know if you can tell that in this, but that row ended right there, and you can see the ending of the raffia right there. It just looks like someone did that by hand to me. So I think the craftsmanship is amazing on raffia bags, which is why I love them so much. And they just scream summer. They say that you just got a pedicure, you got a cute little sundress on, you about to meet the girls on a patio, and y'all about to be so intoxicated when you finish your cocktail hour that you're going to have to pour yourself into bed and hope that you're on time for work the next day. That's what this bag says to me. I don't know if that says that to you or not. But I just love, love, love this bag. I really wanted a raffia and brown leather bag because I own a raffia and black leather bag, the Louis Vuitton Petite Bucket, that I've used extensively. And I felt like if I got a brown leather bag, it would expand my ability to wear the raffia. And ever since I moved into the bag, I carried it for 2 or 3 days straight. So it did exactly what I thought it would do. So I'll throw a mod shot in so you can see how it looks on me. I'm 5'7", 5'8" for reference, about 200 pounds. At this point, you've seen the unboxing of the bag. You should have seen what fits in it. You should have seen a couple of mod shots of me. I provide the dimensions and the price. The price I paid. And I also try to put, at this point, a screenshot of the bag on the YSL website. I didn't see any reviews of this bag when I was looking at this bag. None. Every time I asked for a mini YSL crossbody, it would pull up the Nolita. So I'm hoping that this may help someone that's considering purchasing this bag. I think it's a great purchase. I think it's a beautiful piece to add to your collection for your summer wear. I think it's extremely well made. I think it's great for this price point. It is not for you big bag girls that like to carry everything in the kitchen sink with you when you're going out. This is a bag that you're just going to be able to carry the essentials. But I do think that it's worth it. Anyway, I hope that this is helpful to someone. Please drop down in the comment section and tell me, do you have this bag in your collection? Have you been bitten by the raffia bug and purchased any raffia bags this summer? And the only other thing that I'll ask of you is that you have an absolutely wonderful day.